Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video of short and sweet tutorials. Today I will show you some basic tips to avoid rejections of your pictures and videos for stock agencies like Shutterstock, Pond5, Blackbox and more. If you are uploading stock photographs and videos, this video may help you. There are many photographers who are uploading or contributing on stock agencies' websites. Some videos or pictures get rejected, and agencies mention some reasons also why they reject your video or photo. I got so many rejections till now. I will share some experience with you. There's a few examples of rejections. 1. Image contains visible brand names or logos. Try to avoid any brand names, stickers or logos in your image or a video. If you are uploading image, you can edit or remove some small logos in Adobe Photoshop, or if you are uploading video, you can edit it in Adobe Premiere Pro software. You cannot use any company's brand name or logo to sell your image or video on stock agency's website. 2. Image contains excessive noise, film grain, compression artifacts and/or posterization. Mostly this problem you have to avoid while you are capturing image or video. The camera settings you have to set accurately. And you have to check your image or video. Little bit of focus shift or higher ISO value in your camera cause rejection. I have captured this cute monkey in the garden, but it get rejected by Shutterstock because it contains grains and noise you can see here. 3. Distracting elements are entering the frame, obscuring the main subject, or the horizon line is unintentionally crooked, skewed. If there are some distracting elements will be there, it causes rejection of your image or clip. Or sometimes the horizon line skewed and the frame looks tilted. You have to composite frame properly to avoid this rejection or error. 4. The main subject of this image is not in focus. Sometimes the little bit of focus shift can cause an error or rejection of a clip or image. Set a proper focus first before you are shooting any video or capturing image. And avoid any image with some distraction like this. Focus and description of your image and clip also matters sometimes. 5. Clip contains unnecessary audio or audio that is potentially copyrighted. In videos you have to delete the audio, because you are selling a video, not audio. Audio doesn't matter at all in clip you selling on stock agency's website. I have uploaded some clips with the audio by mistake and they all get rejected. 6. Clip exhibits dust, dirt, moisture or reflections. Sometimes in landscape photography or video it may cause this issue. Clean your camera lenses before you start shooting any video. Try to avoid reflective things in your frame. So these are some tips to avoid rejections of your image or video on stock agency's website. I hope you like it and I hope it will help you in the future. Start shooting new stuff or making new videos, and always be creative and hit on the like button and share and subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials.